Hello, in this video I am going to show you how to navigate to a new screen and back. So basically navigation, and we've got this one page right here, it says epic page, and if I click it doesn't do anything, but we want this to go to another page. To implement this, it's actually really simple. Now what we've got here, which is in a page, we need to create another class. So what we want to do is class, and I'm going to call this second page, and we're going to say we need to extend stateless widget. In a separate video I'm going to describe the difference between a stateless widget and a stateful widget, so stay tuned for that. And then in here we need to have not covariant, at override, and we are going to override the widget build context, basically this one. It auto filled it out for me, which is fantastic, and you probably want to build it in a similar fashion to this. You can build it however you want, honestly, but if you keep it in a similar fashion, it just means that the design, the flow, the layout has a very similar feel. So I'm going to put scaffold, and I'm going to put an app bar in here. So app bar, and I'm just going to put a title and text, and this is going to say second page. So in here I'm going to have a body, and put center, and then I'll have a child. I'll put another raised button, and here is where we'll navigate. So unpressed. So this is where we'll navigate back to the first page. Before I do that, I want to show you something. So let me just put a child here, and this is going to say go back. Oopsie daisy, this needs to be inside the raised button. The indentations can always get a bit messed up in here, if I'm being honest. There we go. So if I save that, and clicking it doesn't do anything, because when we have this unpressed event, this is where we need to implement the code to essentially go to the next page. So the way you do this is that you call navigator, do dot push, so it has a push and pop system. So it has a stack of pages or views or whatever it is. You push onto the next one. The topmost one is the one that you currently see and currently interact with. If you pop it, it removes. And we're going to cover that as well in a second. So dot push, and we're going to put context. Actually, sorry, this is a method, so we just do context. And then next, we need to essentially specify the next page. And you do that by doing material page root, and then you put builder, and for this you put context, the arrow operator, and for this it is going to be second page, open close bracket, semicolon, and there you go. You needed another semicolon, doesn't need one in here, put it in the wrong place, put reload, and now if I click it, as you can see, it goes to the next page, and it automatically puts a back arrow. So if I click that, as you can see, swipes up and down. So it provides a little nice, cool, built-in animation. So we can do that. So that's just built in. We haven't implemented this button. So let's implement this one. To do this, it is extremely simple. If we want to have a manual event, it could be a button or it could be something else. Something else is triggered, and if certain condition is met, it could go back to the previous page. To do that is really simple. You just put navigator dot pop context, and whatever is below it in the stack, it'll go back to that. So if I click go back, as you can see, the go back button works flawlessly. So So that's how you navigate to a page, back from a page, and you can create as many of these as you want. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to actually separate this into a separate file, because as you can imagine, this could get a bit tedious. That's it. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message, and as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.